Okay, this morning seemed like it's another day. We see something good will happen. One time the cops came, they were just putting some sign up showing us that there's some crimes going on and we need to be alert over here. So I guess if you see anything, we call or you report. And there's a whole bunch of places that probably there's some crimes going. So I guess we just gotta work at it. I didn't get a picture with them. Maybe one day when the cops come, I might be able to interact with them a lot better and actually think like make a video or something. If they do something pretty cool, if they would, it would be pretty cool. All right. So it was like a sign over here that you put up. Okay, cool. Just getting some stuff over here. I guess we just doing the usual stuff. So there's like a car coming by. Yeah. And I don't know, the cat is not here today. Either cat gets hungry, I gotta be able to feed it. And if the birds gets hungry, I gotta be able to feed it. I gotta figure out how to support them, get some money. We've been working at some stuff. If I get smart enough and accurate enough to figure out some ways to get the money, all the support comes in, and I can win it right and do it right, guess I'll do it and keep the stuff going, that we could stay alive and keep doing our things and keep the support up and keep it strong. So we're just working at it, supporting the hearing and the vision and the other things. Oh, there's a bird that came by, just walking over there, flying now. Probably might just have to make some bird feed and a cat thing. And if you got some dogs, you gotta get some dog food. All that's gonna cost a little bit of money, but I gotta work. And if I get the right thing, I could get enough to keep it up, and we could keep showing you some stuff. And even the clouds, that I guess I could move most of the time when I win the battle. It's like either I make it, I'll see you one day. I'll probably get a show if I could generate it into the sky or generate it around me. And I guess if you get all that and we get the support for it, we get to show you a couple more stuff. So it's like birds tweeting today in the morning that we just hearing stuff. Now I'm smelling smoke. I don't know if it's me smoking or there's somebody smoking around here, something burning. Hey, there's a dog. Somebody walking. It's a dog. Cool. I hope he doesn't mind if I get a video. Hi. Cool, nice dog. Hi. It's a nice neighborhood. They're pretty nice. Maybe one day we might get some other dogs that might show off. I might do something that you guys might like. See if you get rich or get the good thing. If you got heroics, you get the people that we got to save and we get to save them and help them. Getting the money to support them, getting the abilities or getting the things, the tools, the things that we need for it to actually support, and we're working at it. So every time we work at it, we get better, just improving. It's a good thing we saw somebody walk. Some birds over here, some flying, some on the ground. Yeah, see, it's moving. There they are, they're moving. They're pretty cool. If they got any ideas of anything to show, get to see. And a car coming. Alright. Probably gotta support the clouds and the rest of the stuff. So we're working at it as we get stronger. If I get enough stuff for it. See, I've been like helping some people out a little bit when I can. And like, you know, the best that I can do is what I'm doing. I can't give much right now, but if I get strong enough that I'm really well supported, I'll give enough for it. Oh, there's a bird in the tree. Let's go see. Okay, it just landed. You'll see what kind of bird it is. Okay. Okay. I think that's a plane. Yeah, that's a plane. Hold on, let me see if I could zoom in to see the light. Hold on. There's that light and it's moving. Oh, shoot. Oh, man. You saw the light a little bit. I think it's covered up right now. Oh, it's gone. Yeah, there was a plane for a little bit. If you saw it, it was like a little white, bright light shining and moving it a little bit. Guess let's just do this. Okay. We're doing good. We're getting some stuff. I guess when we get some more stuff, like probably manipulate the wind a lot easier and a lot stronger, that we could show you some more stuff. Hope I enjoyed your support, helping me out, getting us some stuff so we could get stronger and show you a lot more stuff. Okay. If we work at it, try to build the birds. Okay. What are they thinking? Good. Okay. You getting some support. Maybe the cops would even show us some stuff. Or yeah. Yeah, they're about to show a fight. Okay. You gotta see if they do a fight. See who's the better. Or you probably get to fly around and show off. One day we might get to show a chase. Like sometimes the birds chasing after the other birds. Okay. Whoa. Whoa. Okay. Cool. So, okay. Okay, they showing off something good. It's early in the morning, and I remember when I used to stay up early, I used to see stuff kind of like this. It's still in the vid, so it's still good. Okay. Okay. I hope y'all enjoy that. Seemed pretty cool. Seeing the rest of this. If they got any other stuff to show, probably get to do it. Yeah, everybody getting what they need. It'll be good. So there's another car passing by. Probably get to see some more cars. It's like some stuff. You get better eyes and better stuff if you could support all that stuff. Improving better things. And show off a couple more stuff. and you probably get to have fun with a lot of joy. Okay, so probably got to get some bird foods. Okay, some nutrition, and I got to make some more stuff. If you get to do some other stuff, if you thinks to like seeing some other stuff that you guys like seeing, I guess we get to do it and improve to a lot better stuff. Okay. I don't know. What else would they think? Working at it. Let's see, maybe at 15, then we stop and try to get to me to go to work. Gotta wait for my ride, my transportation to get here, and take me to work. Or maybe 20. All right. So the transportations that we got, if we make a lot more different transportations, far from walking. Okay, walking, but walking at a certain speed. If you can win the battle for an even faster movement to get to a lot of places, we'll work at it. Maybe running, flying. If we could get some planes, maybe you might even travel around the world. If it's good, if you can win and do that, get the money and get the stuff, get the energy and all the things that we need, all the support that we need, and then we can make it and do a lot more stuff. Might get to show off the superhero one. If you make the money for the superhero stuff or the other power stuff and the ability stuff, you get to show off and make it. Hey, there's a car coming by. Got to do a couple more stuff. Hope this neighborhood get rich and good and more protected. Even get rich and more fun. See, we not really that boring. Getting good. It's pretty cool. Okay, the light going out. I guess it's reached the time. We got to see somebody walk their dog today. We getting new stuff every day. Well, almost every day, new stuff. Getting more ideas. I don't think that was, all these other games that are around here. There's so many different minds, different ways that God created them, and different thoughts and different ways that they move through life. I guess we just working at it and doing some other stuff. Seemed like I probably got to go at 15 because it seemed like somebody locked the door or something. I'm working at seeing some stuff. Okay. So I got to do some other stuff. It's a bird right there. I don't think it's a red cardinal, is it? If it is, hold on. Yeah, it is. It is a red cardinal. Cool. Those birds are around here most of the time. I hope they're good. Hope they're safe. And there's some other birds. It's like their practice. You gotta have some fun. You think somebody want to show off something else? It's like 14. Alright. The clouds are up in the sky. Hope y'all like clouds and stuff. I hope my vision is better. Now he sees a lot better. Gotta fight for the better vision. If I win the battle and get even better stuff, even try to see some other things, and the strength comes up, you get to do it. All right, let's see. It's been a while. Yeah, somebody walking, but it's good. All right, hope till the next time. I gotta go in and do something. I'll be back. Maybe tomorrow or today. Maybe I might come home and do a different one. I hope y'all enjoy. Thanks.